we got the ingredients for to cook pinakbet at the Numancia Public Market. These are the main vegetables for pinakbet. It's got squash, string beans, okra, eggplant, and bitter melon. And these 2 packs, it's already sliced for you. These 2 packs cost 55 pesos, so $1 for these 2 packs. And then the other ingredients that we needed tomatoes, red onion, garlic, and the lady actually gave us freebies on these green chilies, and this was 50 pesos, so that's $1 for the rest of the vegetables. And then we need to get pork, and this is like a 1/4 kilo of pork, and it costs 70 pesos, so that's about $1.50. So all this about $3.50 to make pinakbet. Hello, I'm Gino. Dazel's on the camera. Welcome to Dazel TV. Today I'm gonna cook pinakbet. Pinakbet is a popular dish here in the Philippines. You saw us the other day, bought the ingredients for pinakbet, so I went ahead and sliced the pork into little pieces, and then I did the onions, the garlic, and tomatoes. Sliced those. The vegetables I bought was already cut up. Okay, a little bit of oil in the pan. Add the pork, and what we're gonna do with the pork is we're gonna brown the pork. Okay, once the pork is a little bit brown, you add the garlic and you add the onions. And then we add the tomatoes, chopped up tomatoes. Stir that. And we'll put it on low heat and cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Dazel reminded me, I forgot to put the pepper, so I'll put a little bit of pepper on it. I don't put salt on it because we're gonna add bagoong later. Bagoong is the fermented shrimp paste, so I didn't put any salt on it, just pepper. And then we'll cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. We're now gonna add the bagoong. Bagoong is fermented shrimp paste. We'll add 3 tablespoons of it. 1, 2, and 3. And this is salty. The fermented shrimp paste, bagoong, is salty. That's why I try not to add any salt to the pinakbet. Just mix it. We're gonna add the string beans and the bitter melon, the ampalaya it's called in the Philippines. And the lady at the market, she gave me 2 of this chili pepper. You don't really need to add chili pepper, but I'm gonna ahead and add that to it. And then I like to put like a half a cup of water because I like a little bit of sauce on the my pinakbet. Some people, they don't add water. They like the pinakbet dry, but I like a little bit of sauce on it. So I'll add half a cup of water. Mix that. And then again, let it simmer for about 10 minutes covered. So we'll cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna add the squash, the calabasa. Dazel likes her squash a little firm. That's why I try to do it the other veggies before the calabasa. So this will be a little bit firmer than the other veggies. There you go.
Smells good, babe.
Yeah, it smells good. Right. Mix it.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, yeah. You get all the flavor of the shrimp paste on the veggies.
It's good.
And this serving right here, this is gonna be like dinner, lunch and dinner for us, because we're not gonna finish this in like one meal. So this is like
For the whole day.
for the whole day. Yeah, we're gonna be eating this for the whole day. And again, cover it and let it simmer again until the vegetables get tender.
Yay!
Last vegetables we're gonna add are the okra and the eggplant. So we're gonna add that. And again, just stir it to get the flavor. And squash is starting to get cooked. Right there, you can tell it's starting to break. So about 10 more minutes, we'll cook it covered, and that should be it.
Thanks for cooking, babe.
Oh, you're welcome, babe. I know you like pinakbet. So.
I know.
Or the bitter melon.
Especially when it's cooked by you. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Yummy. Let's go.
Babe, I'll give you some rice. Do you want rice?
Our baby wants to eat lunch too.
He wants to eat lunch too. Ooh. There.
Yay!
There you go. Grab some of the pinakbet.
Yeah, I'm excited, babe.
You're excited.
I want my squash and okra. You know me, I'm atakamata.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Sit down.
Yes.
And it was all sunny while I was cooking, and now I'll show you. Looks like it's gonna it's gonna rain again. There's like rain cloud. Hungry.
Yum. Pinakbet.
Chloe's right behind you.
Yeah.
She wants.
The string bean.
Yeah. You can't give her though because it's got bagoong on it.
Oh yeah, bago.
Yeah.
Shrimpies.
Yeah, it's not good for her.
Yummy.
I like it.
Me too.
Yeah. The one I plated in the bowl is just one serving for us. So there's half of it. It's on the pot still. So we'll eat that for dinner.
For dinner, yeah.
Yeah. This is lunch and that's dinner. That's why the Carinderia, they can make money. Because when they cook like pinakbet and they sell it for 40 pesos or
40
50
pesos.
pesos for a little,
Yeah.
portion, they can make money. That's why the Carinderia can sell it cheap. They can sell it at low price
Yeah.
because they cook bulk and then hoping that a lot of people will eat. Toto is begging. I want some of that. Oh, poor Toto.
I feed her already.
I know. I know you do.
She just loves to eat.
So this time of year, it's July, and going into August, it's hard to time. Like we always like walking on the beach on sunset, but it's hard to time because it could be hot and sunny right now, but the clouds are always kind of like ready to pour rain. So you just never know when it's gonna rain, and it usually rains like around 3 or 4 in the afternoon.
Yeah,
That's when
yeah.
that's when it rains. What was oh, your umbrella. It's really good. I'm digging this.
This is healthy, right?
I know, it's got all different vegetables. We have to eat more vegetables.
Better melon.
Yeah, the bitter melon.
Better.
Yeah. That is a joke here in the Philippines.
Better.
Bitter melons, ampalaya. So when people are like bitter, they'll call them like ampalaya.
Palaya. Better.
Yeah, better.
You can have people's food. You know that. Our baby. Our baby. Tutoy. The big baby.
It's good,
I
huh,
can
babe?
taste everything.
I know, it's really good.
I can taste the string beans, the okra, especially the shrimp paste.
Yeah, the shrimp paste, the bagoong or shrimp paste, that's the one that ties the meal together. It ties all the vegetable with the pork.
Yeah.
It's the one that gives it a lot of flavor.
I eat like a baby. I think I want ice cream for dessert.
Yeah, you can go 7-Eleven. Me, I always eat fast. I learned that from when I was in the military. In basic training, they only give you like a minute to like finish your meal because
Yeah.
you know they want everybody to get into the dining hall and then out the dining hall. So you go in there with like 40, 50 of you. And,
Yeah.
and your drill instructor wants you out of there in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're like we sit down and we're like eating. So I like never lost that. I'm always like in a hurry when I eat. I carried that throughout all these years. Dazel and I wiped out the pinakbet and rice. Nothing is left. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.